Hey guys, how's it going? Kermody here. Welcome to Academy.fm. In this video, I want to show you guys how you can make really cool ambience using feedback loops using sends and returns. This is a really cool technique. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up two different return channels, an A and a B. Now, one thing you may notice is over here, you have the send volume option like you would on a regular track, grayed out. And this is actually the ability to send volume to another return. So what we're going to do is we're going to enable B on A, and we're going to enable A on B. We're going to set the volume all the way full. And what this means is once a volume gets sent to the A return, it's going to go into B into A, and it's going to feed back infinitely. Now this would theoretically hurt our ears like crazy at this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a limiter onto both tracks and some effects to make it actually ambient. We're going to play with some reverb on the other track as well. And I'm going to slap a couple EQs on before so we can play with the EQ bells. Now the first thing I want to do is leave the limiter off, because I'm going to want the volume to exceed 0 for it to start feedbacking. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn all the effects off so this can actually occur. And the final thing we're going to want is a utility on one of the tracks so we can really pump the volume, cause that feedback to occur, and then we can dial back the effect and start to manipulate it. I recommend turning down your volume as things are about to get pretty loud, but let's just give this a test. I'm going to start sending my voice, and I'm going to start turning things up. Turn up the volume. And there we go, guys. So you may have noticed what I did is I created the feedback loop, and then as the sound was feedbacking, creating really cool ambience, I manipulated effects to create different tones. What I would have done if I had been wanting to use this in a track is I would have A, resampled to a new track, so all of that was recorded, and I would have brought up the EQ and moved small poles so I could actually see what note it is, because if I hover my mouse over this, I can see that's an F sharp, that's an E, and I would have actually made note dependent resonant ambient tones. You can see it's really easy. You just have to generate the feedback loop, and once it's going, you have infinite possibilities by just playing with effects. So I hope you got a lot out of that tutorial. My name's Kermody, we're Academy.fm. Thanks again. Peace.